So you've created your images, but when you tried lip syncing it, the result looked fake, broken, or unusable. This happens for 90% of the people that lip sync their video. So I'm going to teach you all to avoid all the possible mistakes such as unstable start frames, unnecessary motion, and one-click lip sync tools. This gives you a clear, repeatable system to make any image talk naturally. For this workflow, I'm using Dzine, since they have all the steps in one tool and have the best lip syncing model to make this work. This makes it effective and cheap, so if you want to follow along, the link is in the description. Now, to make any image talk naturally, we need to start with the foundation, which is generating a stable front-facing image for the best results. It's important that the face needs to be fully visible, centered, and facing the camera directly. Start by opening Dzine. Then, from your homepage, navigate over to iTools and choose Text to Image within the Model section. Then choose Nano Banana Pro. I set the output quality to 4K and the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now for the prompt, you need to write a clear, detailed prompt about appearance, lighting, realism, and quality. This will set you up for success. So, for example, hyper-realistic American male content creator, early 30s holding a compact camera or smartphone, walking through modern casual streetwear, confident and relaxed expression, natural, daylight. Urban background with softly blurred buildings and pedestrians, medium close-up framing, chest-up view, cinematic, street photography, shallow depth of field. It features realistic skin texture, natural color grading, 8K resolution, and absolute clarity. I then click Generate. Now the next decision is, do I need to create a video with my image and then lip sync it? Or can you go straight to lip syncing with the image? And the answer is, if the image is a character with a neutral expression and a static pose, you can go straight to lip sync. But if the image first needs to turn into a video, then you need to generate the start frame video first. This gives the lip sync model motion data to work with. Please navigate over to the lip sync section, then set the video quality to 1080p and make sure to use the Pro mode. First, go ahead and select the Big Face Image mode. Then, navigate over to the audio panel, choose the Big Voice option, and finally, select the specific voice tone you want. After that, choose a voice that matches the character's appearance. In my situation, that would be a stick of gum. One more professional voice works best for this portrait style. It is important to avoid overly animated or exaggerated voices. They create unnatural mouth movements on a still image. Type your script and click Generate to create the voiceover audio. First, place the portrait image onto the timeline. Then position the generated audio file precisely beneath that image. This is the most crucial rule to follow. Make sure the image duration matches the audio duration. If the audio starts too early or too late, the lip sync will drift. Lip motion appears slightly off. Shift the audio track left or right a little and regenerate.
Every step forward tells a story. In the heart of the city, confidence meets purpose. This isn't about noise, it's about direction.
Clean lip sync doesn't come from better eye. It comes from stable facial geometry and a controlled workflow. If this helped you like the video, subscribe and check the link in the description to try the workflow yourself.